In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord keeps freezing on PC. There are two fixes to this problem. The first fix that you can do is to check if Discord has any updates on your device. Now to do that, what you'll need to do is to head over to the bottom right of your screen, and here you'll be able to find all the apps that's currently launched on your device. Right click on Discord and you'll be able to find the quit Discord option. Click on this. Now relaunch Discord to check if it still freezes on your PC. Now if it still does, go ahead and click on the user settings, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your Discord page. On the user settings, scroll down and click on Advanced. Now disable hardware acceleration, and then Discord will relaunch on your device. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.